Hello and welcome to another math video. So in this video we got x to the power of 4 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to play with the powers a little bit. So we're going to change the x to the fourth to an x squared again minus 3 squared equals 0. And before I move any further, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video so I can keep making more videos. Now, we are going to apply this fun principle up here. So if we had a squared minus b squared, that'd be equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now, in this situation, x squared would be a and 3 would be our b value. So let's go ahead and write this out. So we'll have x squared plus 3 times x squared minus 3 is all equal to 0. Now all we need to do now is set both sides equal to 0 and solve for that. So let's go ahead. So I have x squared plus 3 is equal to 0 and x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3. So we'll have x squared is equal to negative 3. And then we're going to square both sides. So it'll be x is equal to technically the plus or minus the square root of negative 3. But we're going to pull out the negative 1 aspect of this. So we would have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 times the square root of negative 1. Now if you know anything about the imaginary unit is equal to the square root of negative 1. So therefore we can rewrite this as x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 times I. Now let's go ahead and work on this other one. So if we add 3 to both sides, we would have x squared is equal to 3. And then we'll just square both sides again, and that'll just give us our final answer with this one. We'll have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. So those are our two answers. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.